Namaste students, welcome to biology class. Today we will discuss the topic 11th standard biogeology unit 1 chapter 2 kingdom animalia. Already you know kingdom means largest group of organism. So largest group of organism in this animalia we will see. First we will see the chapter outline. First one, it is the basis of classification. What is mean by classification? Classify the organism. What is the reason? Because you are easily identify. Then second one, classification of kingdom animalia. So kingdom animalia, how will you classify? It is a vertebrate or invertebrate. Then third one, the non-chordata. It is the invertebrates. Already you know invertebrates animal mean it is the absence of backbones. Then fourth one, the chordata up to class level. Chordata is the presence of backbones. So we will see the one by one. First one. The kingdom Animalia comprises millions of animal species, and studying them without the basic classification leads to the confusion, because your classification without classification means you are confused only. How will you? Because all the organism is the same order, same class. So how will you identify this organism is the presence of backbone, this organism is the absence of backbone? So classification is the very important, because it is easily identify the organism. In addition to this, there are the several new species of animal being it is a constantly it is a discovered. The classification is very essential for identification. Identify the organism. The naming already you know it is a nomenclature. Then assigning and systematic position to the newly discovered the species. In day-to-day life, the many scientists it is a easily it is a identify the new species, it is a find out the new species. So how will you your identify? Because it is a naming and classification, it is present only you identify the this organism is the this group, this organism habit is the this type of organism, this organism is the it is a same it is a behavior. So every day it is a new species is the present only, your identification is a very important. So animal kingdom is classified namely based on the closely resembling characteristic features. Features mean it is the character. So kingdom Animalia is characterized by the eukaryotic. What is mean by eukaryotic? Already you know. Eukaryotic mean it is a well developed nucleus. Then multicellular. Multicellular is the many cells of the organism. Then heterotrophic nutrition. Hetero means depend and troph means nourishment. So heterotrophic organism is the organism depend to other organism. Then the include about 35 phyla, of which 11 are considered as major phyla. Almost 99% of the animal are invertebrates. Invertebrates means it is a absence of backbone, and animals without the backbones or animals without backbone. The remaining represent vertebrates or the animals with backbone. On the basis of the presence or absence of notochord, it is a vertebral column. Then animals are also categorized. It is the division, the two major group. They were the non-chordate and the chordate. Presence of backbone and absence of backbone. First of all, one by one we will see. First one example is present. All of you see this beautiful one. It is birds. What is the type of the birds? You identify? Yeah, correct. It is the house sparrow, Chittukuruvi. So in March 20th, it is celebrated as the World Sparrow Day to conserve this endangered species. ஆல்ரெடி யூனோ சிட்டுக்குருவி வந்துட்டு இப்போது அழிஞ்சிட்டு வர இனத்தில் இருக்குது. ஸோ இதை வந்து ஒரு கன்சர்வ் இட் இஸ் அவேர்னஸ் கொடுக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுக்கு, அவேர்னஸ் பற்றி தெரிஞ்சுக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறதுனால மார்ச் 20th வந்து நம்ம செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணுறோம். என்னன்னா இட் இஸ் அ ஹவுஸ் ஸ்பேரோ. இட் இஸ் த பேசர் டொமஸ்டிகஸ். இட் இஸ் அ ஜுவாலஜிக்கல் நேம் ஆஃப் த ஹவுஸ் ஸ்பேரோ, இந்த சிட்டுக்குருவியோட தினத்தை நம்ம கொண்டாடுறோம். ஓகே, we will see next one. Basis of classification. Multicellular organisms are structurally and functionally different, but they are so certain common fundamental features. Features mean it is a character such as the arrangement of cell layers and level of organization, nature of the coelom, the presence and absence of the segmentation, division, and notochord, and organization of the organ system. What are there? It is the arrangement of the cell layer, the level of organization, nature of the coelom, the presence or absence of segmentation, notochord, and the organization of the organ system. What is mean by organ system? Already you know organ system mean it is a group of the organ. It is study about the organ system. Okay. You say the how many organ system is present for the human body? The human body 10 organ system is present. How many? It is a 10 organ system is present. Okay, we will see next topic, the level of organization. The level of organization, all members of kingdom Animalia are metazoans. Metazoans mean it is a multicellular animals. Multi means it is a many cells and exhibit different pattern of cellular organization. The cells of the metazoans are not capable of independent extension and exhibit division of the labors. Among the metazoan, cells may be functionally isolated or similar kinds of the cells may be grouped together to form the tissue, organ, or organ system. This already you know. Yes, cells. What is the cell? Cells is the basic structural and functional unit of all living organism. So செல் தான் வந்துட்டு பேசிக் ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் அண்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷன். ஆல் த செல்ஸும் வந்துட்டு தனியாகவே அது வந்து செயல்படாது. எல்லா செல்ஸ் என்ன பண்ணுன்னா குரூப்பாக இணைஞ்சு அது வந்து ஒவ்வொரு ஆர்கனாக செயல்படும். ஆல்ரெடி யூனோ த குரூப் ஆஃப் த செல் இஸ் த டிஷ்யூ, த குரூப் ஆஃப் த டிஷ்யூ இஸ் த ஆர்கன், த குரூப் ஆஃப் த ஆர்கன் இஸ் த ஆர்கன் சிஸ்டம். But some of the special cells it is the do the work is the separately. So the next one, the cellular level of organization. The basic level of organization is seen in sponges. Sponges already you know it is a phylum Porifera. Yeah, correct only. இது வந்து கடல் பஞ்சு அப்படின்னு தமிழில் சொல்லுவாங்க. This basic level of the organization is seen in sponges. The cells in the sponges are arranged as loose aggregate and do not form the tissue. Already you know the loose arrangement, so do not form the tissue. So cells, the group of cells only it is a tissue. But in the sponges la eppadi irukku loose aggregates இருக்கறனால it is a do not form the tissue. So tissue இருந்தால் மட்டும்தான் tissue, it is a group of the tissue is the organ and group of the organ is the organ system. The exhibit the cellular level of the organization. There is the division of but among the cells and different type of the cells are functionally it is a isolator. In sponges the outer layer is developed for the pinocytosis. What is the outer layer? It is the pinocytosis. It is the plate like cells that maintaining the size and structure of the sponges, and the inner layer is formed of the sonocytosis. They were flagellated collar cells that create and maintain water flow through the sponge, this facilitating respiratory and digestive function. What are the two functions? Respiratory function and digestive function. What is already you know the facilitate the collar cells create மெயின்டைன் த வாட்டர் ஃப்ளோ த்ரூ த ஸ்பாஞ்சஸ். இதோட ஸ்பெஷல் ஒரு கேரக்டர் என்னென்னா இதுக்கு வந்து தனியான த டேக்கிங் ஃபுட்டு இட் இஸ் அ இன்ஜெக்ஷன் பார்ட். இன்ஜெக்ஷன் பார்ட்டுக்கு இருக்கிற அந்த ஹோல்ஸும் இட் இஸ் அ த டைஜஷன் பார்ட். It is a respiratory part and digestion part is the facilitating the maintaining the water flow through the sponges. Okay, the next one, tissue level of organization. In some animals, cells that perform similar function are aggregated to form tissue. In some of the animals only, cells that perform similar function, cells வந்து perform பண்ணுது similar function are aggregated to form tissue. The cells of the tissue integrate in the highly coordinated fashion to perform the common function due to the presence of nerve cells and sensory cells. What is the sensory cells? Sensory means it is a way of feeling. The tissue level of organization is exhibited in diploplastic. Diplo means two. Ectoderm and mesoderm and endoderm. The three layers is present. Ecto and endo is the diploplastic, and trypoplastic mean ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. The animals like cnarians. The formation of the tissue in the first step towards division of the body and it is of the animals. What are the animals? It is a hydra, it is a coelenterans. Coelenterans is the second phylum. What is the first phylum? Yeah, correct. First phylum is the Porifera and second phylum is the coelenteran. Okay, we will see the next topic, organ level of organization. What is the organ? Organ means the inner body, the form of the organ. So human body, many organs present, heart, brain, kidney, liver. Yes, so this one only it is a organ. So what are the organ? The animal organ also it is the same, the heart, brain, kidney, liver. So this one only the organ level of organization. The different kind of tissue aggregate to form. Aggregate means group. To form an, what is the aggregate? Aggregate means group. To form organ to perform the specific function. The organ level of organization is the further advancement over the tissue level of organization and appears for the first time in the phylum Platyhelminthes seen in the higher phyla. So organ level of organization is the advancement over the tissue level of organization. Okay, we will see next one, organ system level of organization. So before is the organ level of organization. This one only the group of the organ is the organ system. So already you know, so for one example, the what are the organ? It is a food pipe, windpipe, stomach. This is the organ. Okay, so this group of the organ, food pipe, windpipe, stomach, this fully it is a one organ system. What is the name of the system? Digestive system. Okay, this one only it is a digestive system. So this organ system level of organization, the most efficient and highest level of organization among the is exhibited by flatworms, nematodes, annelids, arthropods, molluscan, echinodermatous and chordatans. So what are there? It is the flatworms, nematodes, annelids, arthropods, molluscans, echinoderms and chordates. So it is the mesoderm in the animals has to this structural, it is a complicity. Mesoderm is the middle layer. What is the mesoderm? It is the middle layer. The tissue are organized to form organ and organ system. Each system is associated with a specific function and so organ system level of organization. So all the system is to do the specific function or special function on the organ system செய்யும். So organ system level of organization. Highly specialized nerve and the sensory cells coordinate and integrate the functions of the organ system, which can be very primitive and simple or complex depending on the individual animal. For example, the digestive system of the Platyhelminthes. Platyhelminthes already you know it is a Platyhelminthes is the next, it is a phylum. What is the first phylum? Phylum Porifera. Second phylum is the Coelenterata. Third phylum is the Platyhelminthes. So Platyhelminthes has only single opening to the exterior with the both mouth and anus. Mouth part already you know. What is the mouth? It is the digestive part. Is the mouth is the one of the organ. Which organ? It is the organ system is the, it is a digestive system. Anus is the elimination part. This is the, it is the excretory system. So in the platyal minthas, the mouth part and anus part is present for the both holes only. So this digestive system is the incomplete digestive system. Okay, clear only. platyal minthஸோட இது வந்து ஒன்லி சிங்கிள் ஓப்பனிங் தான் இருக்கும். அதனால இதோட மவுத் பார்ட்டோட ஓப்பனிங்லேயே தான் இதுக்கு வந்து எலிமினேஷன். ஆனஸோட ஓப்பனிங் அண்ட் மவுத் ஓப்பனிங் இதோடது சேம் தான். அதனால இதுக்கு என்ன ஆகுதுன்னா மவுத்தில் தான் ஃபுட் எடுத்துக்குது. அதே அந்த ஆனஸ் மவுத் அந்த ஹோல்ஸ்லேயே தான் எலிமினேஷனும் பண்ணும். ஸோ இந்த டைப் ஆஃப் த டைஜஸ்டிவ் சிஸ்டம் எப்படி இருக்குன்னா இன்கம்ப்ளீட் டைஜஸ்டிவ் சிஸ்டம். ஓகே, கிளியர்? Okay, we will see next one. From the Asalminthus to Chordata. Asalminthusல இருந்து next level, Asalminthusல இருந்து Chordates வரைக்கும். Chordates, it is a well developed organism. All animals have the complete digestive system. So first three is the incomplete. Porifera, Coelenterata, platyal minthus is the incomplete digestive system. So next level digestive system எதுல இருந்து Asalminthus to Chordates. This fully it is a complete digestive system because digestive system and other organ system is the separate. Okay, so two opening of the mouth and the anus. So இதுக்கு எல்லாமே மவுத்து பார்ட்டும் தனியாக இருக்கும், அந்த ஆனஸ் எக்ஸ்க்ரீட்டரி பார்ட்டும் தனியாக இருக்குது. ஸோ இதோட டைஜஸ்டிவ் சிஸ்டம் எப்படி இருக்கும்? இட் இஸ் அ கம்ப்ளீட் டைஜஸ்டிவ் சிஸ்டம். ஸோ அப் டு த platyal minthus is the incomplete digestive system. Up to anus to chordata it is the complete digestive system. Okay, we will see next para. Similarly, the circulatory system is of the two types, the open type and the closed type. Circulatory means what is the circulation? It is the blood. So circulatory system or vascular system. இதை வந்து circulatory systemனு சொல்லலாம், இன்னொரு டைப் என்ன சொல்லலாம்னா vascular system. Circulatory systemனாலே என்னதை பற்றி படிக்க போகிறோன்னா, it is the study about the blood and blood cells and blood vessels and heart. இதை பற்றி படிக்க போகிறோம். ஸோ இது வந்துட்டு இன்னொரு டைப், it is a vascular systemனு சொல்லலாம். ஸோ இதில் வந்து டூ டைப்ஸ் இருக்குது. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் த ஓப்பன் டைப் அண்ட் செகண்ட் ஒன் இஸ் த க்ளோஸ்டு டைப். வாட் இஸ் மீன் பை ஓப்பன் டைப்? ஓப்பன் டைப் மீன்ஸ் this which is the blood remains filled with the tissue space due to the absence of the blood capillaries. Absence of the blood capillaries is a open type of the blood. Already you know, it is a cockroach. Cockroach is the open type of the blood circulation. What is the reason? Because it is a blood capillaries. Network of the blood capillaries is the absent. So what are the phylum is the open type of the blood circulation? Arthropods, molluscans, echinodermata. So in the moon and euchordates and urochordates, இந்த நாலுக்குமே எப்படி இருக்கும்னா ஓப்பன் டைப்பில் இருக்கும். வாட் இஸ் த ரீசன்? ஆப்சன்ஸ் ஆஃப் த பிளட் கேபிலரிஸ். பிளட் கேபிலரிஸ்க்கு வந்து இதில் ஆப்சண்ட்டாக இருக்குது. அதனால இதோட பிளட் டைப் எப்படி இருக்கும்னா இட் இஸ் அ ஓப்பன் டைப் ஆஃப் த பிளட் சர்க்குலேஷன். வாட் ஆர் த ஃபோர்? ஆர்த்தோபோட்ஸ், மொலஸ்கன்ஸ், எக்கினோடர்மேட்டா அண்ட் யூரோகார்டேட்டா. And next one is the closed type of the blood circulation, in which the blood is circulated through the blood vessels of the varying diameters. What are the? It is the arteries, vein and the capillaries. What are the three? It is the arteries, vein and the capillaries. So இதெல்லாம் எப்படி இருக்குன்னா blood it is a capillaries, it is a present only. The closed type of the blood circulation means இதில் வந்துட்டு blood vessels is the present. ஸோ இதுக்கு எல்லாமே blood vessels இருக்கிறதுனால இது வந்து closed type of the organism. So arteries, vein and capillaries is the very important for the blood vessels. So the human body also is a blood vessels, arteries and vein and capillaries. It is a very important, it is a network of the blood vessels. So this is present mean it is a closed type of blood vessels, blood type, closed type of the blood circulation. And as the what are the organism is the closed type of the blood circulation? Annelids, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. What are there? Annelids, Cephalochordata and Vertebrata. This four is the closed type of the blood circulation. Okay, clear? What is the open type? It is the absence of the blood capillaries is the open type of the blood circulation. What are the organism? Arthropods, molluscan, echinodermata and Urochordata. Then what are the organism is the closed type? The closed type is the presence, it is a blood vessels is the presence, arteries, vein and capillaries. What are the organisms still closed type? Annelids, Cephalochordata and the Vertebrata. So this is the present for this, it is a closed type and open type of the organization. So this one only it is a organ system level of the organization. Okay. Okay, thank you students.